nang mapasakit.
Hi guys! Samahan niyo kami sa aming adventure sa Little Palawan. Only about 1.5 to 2 hours away from Metro Manila. Kilala ang pasyalan na ito sa pagiging crystal-clear emerald ng tubig at towering rocks formations. At pwede itong marating gamit ang motor or four-wheels vehicles. Sa kanilang water activities naman, meron silang swimming, cliff diving, and relaxing on floating bamboo rafts. At meron silang hiking and cave hopping along the river. Pwede rin mag-camping overnight sa kanilang treehouse, kubo, or tent.
Yan ang matiktik. Matiktik river. Daddy, break mo ha.
At bago nyo palang marating ang Little Palawan, ay makakaranas kayo na sobrang tarik ang daan.
Break mo. Paano sila nakakarating dito? Layo.
At sa wakas, narating na rin namin ang Little Palawan ng Norsagaray, Bulacan.
Yeah, man. Trouble by fashion.
At sulit na sulit talaga ang 100 pesos na entrance fee. At free life vest.
Ha?
Things about me, you just have to know. Sometimes I run, sometimes I hide, sometimes I'm scared of you.
At dito lang yan matatagpuan sa Justin Berber Resort.
25 years in my life is still trying to get up that great big hill of hope for a destination. I realized quickly when I knew I should that the world was made up of it.